Have you ever pinched your nose and closed your mouth to stop a sneeze? You need to stop doing that immediately. A normal sneeze expels air at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. This is a mechanism to purge irritants. When you block the exit points, that high-velocity air has nowhere to go. The pressure inside your respiratory system increases by 2,000%. This pressurized air is forced backward. It can travel into the eustachian tubes, potentially rupturing your eardrums. In severe cases, the pressure causes air bubbles to tear through the soft tissue of the throat, leading to a condition called tracheal rupture. Mechanically, it is safer to let the biological explosion happen than to contain it within your skull.